Be a great battle. Great was an Ackwood who's very swiftly comes in for the first ball of the semi-final. And he beats him beautifully by. It's over the top. It's the first boundary. It's a 6. Top edge cutting away was an Ackwood. Great match. He's had a wonderful tournament. That's a fine shot. Right finds the gap. That's 4.
Job it again. Big crowd here at Eden Park. Oh, he's hit that miles in the short boundary. Oh, this will go to second tier. Huge 6. Down she comes off the concrete. What a shot. I keep Johnny. Oh, a bowled in. Slower ball, you little beauty. That was a magnificent delivery. He very, very nearly got himself an LBW. He's hit that in the air, this will be out, caught in the deep. He's got him. Wright has got frustrated. He's decided to go for it, and Rami's sitting down there at the deep long on boundary. Beautiful stroke, he just waited on it. There's no shortage of...
Thank you, Richie. Martin Crowe pulls the first ball away for 4. They go just a fraction short, there's no doubt about it.
See if he picks it in a minute.
Oh, it spins and it beats the wicket keeper as well. What the turn there? That was the red grade going for byes. Might go all the way. 4 byes. Gets him close. Got to be close. Yes, beautiful bowling. Force Jones back. Gave the umpire Buckner a good look at that. That's a valuable wicket for Pakistan. We'll move on to some more there. That's 4 runs. It's a bad ball from Iqbal Sikandar, a full toss on leg stump. And a great diving effort. And long off.
Always have ropes or white lines.
Relevant over the top. Straight down the ground. He's letting those shuttles go now. Pakistan under a lot of pressure.
That's gone. Into the stand. Well, hits the advertising hoardings on the full. Shepherd is in no doubt.
Martin Crowe is going through a real dilemma.
That's in the stands.
This could well be out. Pulling that one, and the keeper no one takes the catch. So Kenny Rutherford's innings comes to an end. A very good innings indeed after us.
Big appeal, got him, LBW. Yes, he's angled it back in, playing the ball from the crease there. In back Patel, trying to whip that one away. And then they've been it's too short. And into the gap, and no third man, that'll be 4. Imran doesn't know what to do. His performance from New Zealand. Imran. Smith gets a full toss, he smashed it away. It's 4, is it? Just short of the line down there at deep mid-wicket. 7 for 261. Low ball again, they'll get one. There was nothing you can do about that. Good one from Imran, that ball. So 7 for 262.
Raj has had a good World Cup with 200s. Oh, now the breeze coming across the ground. That's a fine shot, that'll be 4. Good start by Ramiz Raja. Perfectly executed deflection on the leg side. Times that nicely, that'll go all the way. Down to long on boundary, picked it up beautifully. Half volley, punch through mid on. It's a good shot, that'll be 4. Man coming around from big cover, won't cut that off. Found the gap beautiful. It was a wideish delivery and Ramiz Raja into the cover drive early.
England are favourites. They've been in the business a long time. That's out. He's taken the top edge as he's run for the sweep shot there, and it's gone straight to backward square leg. He's taken the catch. Well, they really did have to try and sweep him out of the business.
Putting himself in. Flicked away his crops. Flicked very hard to square leg by Ramiz Raja, and Andrew Jones who caught Amir Sahil for the first wicket of the innings.
Morrison dropping short. Ramesh Raja in complete control of his shot. That's a great shot from Ramesh Raja. That six has gone all the way from Imran. Imran Khan taking the offensive.
Target that is in case of rain. Lance coming back for it. Could be a good catch. It is a super catch. Danny.
A few metres down the wicket there. He's got an inside edge. That'll run away for four. Every single run vital, especially fours. In fact, leg fire signal there. Seems to go very quickly way off.
The batsman too much width.
He smashed that one, beautifully hit down the ground, way up into the terraces. What a magnificent straight six that was. Imran is going to cut loose here. Job has done the wicket. Good shot, beautifully placed by the end there. That's four. Magnificent shot. Four men out on the offside there.
And he's going into the wind. And they're under it. Caught. Imran's gone. Harris has the wicket. Gone. First Cherry and gone. Salim Malik. Between the two fielders, just four, and this guy is it's gone right over that fielder for a moment. Would have thought the wind was going.
That's four. Take it away. Full toss is outside off stump. Certainly not the name of the game here.
It's a classy play.
He's got that one away right into the middle of the gap. Oh, beautifully played. And Bian had one of the overs over to him. And they have a, what do they call
Back into this game.
He's got that one away too. Exactly the same place. Patel dropping it short. This is the guy who should have opened the batting. Magnificent shot there from Imzamam Al-Haq. Get back. This will be out of your hands. He's missed. No, he's not out. No, he's not out. No way. But he got back easy.
Well, New Zealand certainly desperate for a wicket. Man down there, perhaps a little bit too optimistic trying to get a single there. Morrison again coming in. Smith. Oh well. Very tight one.
He got back there. He's so quick. That's got to be a wide. However, he got a bat
Good one before as well.
He's gone to the fence. 310's crowd. Boy, they got their money's worth. This is Morrison. It's four. Wide delivery off the bottom edge. It's gone flying away down towards third man.
Very worried at the moment.
Oh, he's hit that one in the air and into the gap. It won't get to the boundary, will it? Yes, it will. It runs in. It was so high, it looked for seconds if it was going to stop there.
Good decision.
No way you can give him out there. Oh, and that's got him. He's got him. He's gone. And from Al-Haq, he's run out. They've tried it once too often.
Pounding away. Harris again, he's going. Oh, he missed. That would have been out for sure. Was a back that was out of his ground. Harris in like a greyhound, picked it up, missed the stumps. Big hit. It's gone for six. It's going all the way. That's six over off.
Talk about good timing. It was beautifully struck. And if ever Pakistan needed 6 runs, this was the moment for it.
This telecast. It's called it. Man out there at square leg. He's defending. It's going fine. It could go all the way. It's coming around quickly. We dive. That's 4 runs.